Hey guys, welcome to HowTo in a Few. Today we are going to rehook up the sway bar. The previous owner, he did a little more off-roading and backcountry kind of stuff than I think I'm ever going to do. I'm not going to rule it out, but he preferred having the sway bar detached so that he had, more movement to go through those rough areas. I'm mostly going to be on the road, so we're going to rehook him up. So I just tried. He's got them. No need to show you. He's got them like looped around, ready to reattach. But one of the nuts appears it's been disconnected for quite a while. So I'm unable to get that nut loose, which is fine because I already ordered replacement sway bar links anyway. Because I just wanted to have some new rubber and make sure everything was attached correctly. So it's not going to stop us from doing this job, but we will probably have to cut off the other one. I'm going to probably take a torch to it and see if I can't get it loose conventionally before I cut it, but we're going to go ahead and install the new ones and get that sway bar back connected to the front axle. And one of the other things, because maybe I do want to go off-road, this wasn't too much. I went ahead, instead of buying the new bolts, got a quick release linkage. It's got a little pin, some washers, so we're going to use this to attach it. So on the off chance that we want to go in the mud or something, we'll just pull the pin out, swing the bar around, and do what we need to do, and then it should be fairly easy to hook it back up again when we need to. So that'll be part of the video too. Not going to be as easy as we hoped. Alright, let's see if we can weasel this out. So now that I know that this is pressed in, I'm going to have to get it from the other side, the nut side. Now I'm hoping that's loose since it was spinning. Alright, sway bar is loose. Sorry, I'm laughing, but it's kind of funny. So, not having seen how this setup was designed, I'm gonna assume it operates in this fashion. So, this doesn't look like it's gonna work. Maybe outside or inside. It doesn't fit square either way, so we're gonna go and do a little research, make sure we're putting this on here correctly. Alright, appears that it's on the outside as such. Alright, that's pretty tight. I think I'd rather go with that. Got it. Alright, one final tightening with the breaker bar. Okay. Alright, there we go. New spindle links. You see, these have seen better days. Quite the ordeal to get this stuff off, but I mean, It's always good when you have the right tools when you need them. Alright, so hopefully that helped you out. I'm going to go take it for a test spin. I'm hoping we get a little more stability when we're on the road now that the sway bar is hooked up. It's very tight. Even with the quick release, I'll be truthful to you, I don't think there's anything quick about releasing that. So we'll see. And I'm also a little concerned about the direction that I installed with the pin bearing most of the load. So I may have to go in there and swap those around, if that makes sense, so that the other side of that bolt bears the load as opposed to the pin. Alright, hopefully that helped you out. If so, give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button. That goes a long way to help YouTubers like me to keep making videos like this. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.